Electric Vehicle Charging Point Survey. A step-by-step guide. Pause this video if you need more time. Before you begin, make sure you're at the property where your charger will be installed. Allow approximately 30 minutes to complete. Make sure you have good lighting to take clear pictures inside and outside your home. Please answer all questions to prevent any delays. When you open your Relay Survey text message, this will be your first page. Press Start at the bottom to begin. The next page is regarding data consent. Please read, then press Yes to allow you to move on. Next is your address, where the charger will be installed. Input your postcode and select your address. This next page is to gauge your electricity demand. We ask you these questions to help us calculate it. The next page is also about your energy usage. The last question asks if you already have a charger fitted. Select No if you do not have one currently installed. This page asks you to take a photo of your consumer unit. Take multiple photos. One of the surrounding area, one of the lid open like the photo shown, and one of a close-up of the fuses so we can read them. If you have multiple consumer units, please also add them to this part of the survey. Next, you will find your main cutout fuse next to your electricity meter. This could be in an outside cupboard, under your stairs, or another area inside your property. Take a picture like the photo below. You can add multiple photos. Take a photo of any stickers on the main fuse. This could say 60, 80, or 100 amps. Next is a picture of your electricity meter. Take a close-up photo like the photo on the screen. This is your main earth connection like the photo below of the green and yellow cable. This may look different in your home, but take multiple photos for us to check. Next is your supply isolator, also known as a double pole isolator. Not all properties have these installed. If you do not have one, please still include a photo of the electricity meter area. Next, we require photos of your gas and water supply. We need a picture of the green and yellow cable which will be clamped to the pipe like the picture on the screen. You can upload multiple photos, and please note that you can find these near to the gas meter and near to the mains water stopcock. We only require a picture of the water stopcock that is inside your property, not the one in the street. If you do not have a gas supply, you may have an oil supply, which we will need a picture of this. If you do not have either, then please just upload the water supply. Please see common photos of gas, water and oil connections. Gas connections can either be inside or outside the property. You may need a triangle key to access cupboard door. Check near the gas meter first. You may also find the connection near the boiler where the gas pipe enters the house. A water stopcock is generally found under a kitchen sink, in a bathroom, under your stairs, or an area most likely to require a water supply. If you see a blue plastic pipe for your water stopcock and no earth connection, please still take a photo of it. If you don't find any earth clamps, please still send in a photo of your stopcock. This page is asking for your MPAN number. This can be found on your energy bill statement. This is very important to provide this information in your survey. Your MPAN number will be 13 digits long and taken from the 3 bottom boxes circled in the picture. Take a photo and also enter the number manually. Next is where you would like your charge point installed. You can upload multiple pictures and annotate in the photos, like the picture below. Most smartphones will have this options to draw and write text. It's also helpful to upload or sketch a floor plan of your home. Please include the position of your fuse board, electricity meter, and where you would like your charge point. Please include measurements in meters. Then submit your survey. I hope you found this video useful. Please make sure that you fill out all the fields in the survey. This will prevent any delays in your application. Please note, the survey layout may be slightly different on your survey app. It's also a good idea to check that you have good Wi-Fi connection in the area you would like your charge point. Thank you for watching the survey video.